Imagine your computer making money for you, even while you sleep. Today, I'm showing you 6 AI tools you can start using right now, and exactly how you can make money with each of them. Stay until the end because the last tool is a real game changer. Let's go. 1. 11 Labs. AI Voice Generator 11 Labs creates ultra-realistic voiceovers. The voices sound like real people. How to make money. Sell voiceovers on Fiverr and Upwork. Record audiobooks for authors. Create voiceovers for YouTube channels and ads. All you need is a script. 11 Labs will read it for you. 2. Copy.ai. AI Writing Assistant. Copy.ai writes ads, product descriptions, and blogs in just seconds. How to make money. Write ad copies for online stores. Write blog posts and articles for international clients. Write social media posts and sell them to businesses. Copy.ai does the work. You just deliver and get paid. 3. Stockimage.ai. AI Design Tool. Stockimage.ai creates logos, posters, and book covers in seconds. How to make money. Design logos and sell them on Fiverr. Create posters and sell them on Etsy and Redbubble. Design book covers for authors and publishers. You can start a graphic design business without knowing how to draw. If you're finding this useful, hit subscribe because I'm about to show you 3 more powerful AI tools that could change your life. Also, comment below which tool you like the most so far. 4. Leonardo AI. AI Image Creator. Leonardo AI is amazing. Just type what you want, and it creates the perfect image. How to make money. Create digital images and sell them as posters. Design NFT collections and sell them online. Make personalized profile pictures for social media. Leonardo AI is super easy to use and you can start for free. 5. Pictory AI. AI Video Creator. Pictory AI makes full videos from simple text in just a few minutes, even if you've never made a video before. How to make money. Create video ads for small businesses. Make YouTube videos for channels that don't want to record themselves. Create Instagram and TikTok videos for companies. With Pictory, you can run a whole video business without a camera or acting. 6. Murph.ai. AI Voice Presentations. Murph.ai creates professional voiceovers for presentations and online learning. How to make money. Record voiceovers for online courses. Create educational videos for companies. Make YouTube tutorials and guides. Murph.ai is perfect if you want to step into the education industry. Which AI tool will you try first? Let me know in the comments. Follow me because soon I'll show you how to combine AI tools and build a system that makes money for you, even while you sleep.